I was trying to put away all my clothes. But I wanted to show him the dog. Look at him. Oh, he's laying on my clothes, of course. Anyway, I was laying down, so he came and laid down. And this one too. This is my original dog. She needs a bath. She looks a little crazy. When she gets a bath, she's a totally different dog. All golden haired and everything. Like her hair's so fluffy and soft. Yes. Right now she's a mess. It's been dusty outside and windy and dirty outside. Like she likes to go run. But the leaves are all falling everywhere and it's been dry. So, but yeah, she gets baths. The main show today is my baby Bubba. Just wanted to show him because he is so cute. Skylar is a different star on her own. Okay. So, this is Ginger. Bubba, my son, named him. And Skylar, but she went to go lay down somewhere. So, she's been really quiet, surprisingly. She's always really hyper. So, yeah. I just wanted to show him. His nose was pink as a baby, like, and then slowly but surely it's been turning black. And it was mostly pink. He had some black spots, but his nose is like red pink and it's turning black. He's been so cute right now. So I'll just show him. Aww. He looks so sad all the time. Like ever since he was a puppy and a baby, he was so sad. I worked so hard with him to try to get him to be like cuddly and happy and a kid, kind of like a kid. Like he was just sad. He gets his little comfortable areas. He loved sitting in front of the stove because I would be cooking in front of the stove. And I had this really soft rubber mat in front of the stove. I guess it was really comfortable and cozy. And he would just lay there. That was his little comfortable spot. Now it's my now it's the bed. and any soft clothes he likes. So, and he is so soft. His skin and he's so meaty and fluffy. His fur. I wanted to show how like he has short hair, but his spots are just amazing. Paws are a little muddy because they're not muddy. They're just like they're clean. They're just burnt around because they're rough. And I need to cut this one, the toe. But anyway. He's being such a baby right now, so I have to get a video. Mostly they lay under the bed. Lately they've been getting real comfortable. Well, that's due to me. I've been getting them to come out because I want to see them. and they um like sometimes like a couple weeks ago they'd just be like it almost seemed like there was not even dogs here because they would be laying under the bed or like asleep under the beds, and I kind of got them to come out a little bit, just be around me a little bit more. But I'm tired. I was gonna take a nap, so there's a lot of chaos today. Not a lot. Just I was out. We were cleaning the yard. He was outside, and well, I was outside cleaning the garage and just moving around a lot of things. I guess. Oh, he's tired. I don't know why. I'm tired from moving boxes and things. He's getting big, though. That's why I want to take this video. Look, man. This is what we're gonna do. We're gonna take a nap because this is my one day off. So nose is turning black. It's like getting all black now, almost. I was gonna show him. I thought he was gonna be more active, but he just fell asleep. Okay. I wanted to show his spots, his tail, and his jaw, like his little jawline fur. It's so cute. I could tell in his face. I was like, when I saw his face, like, he's gonna pass out. If the mailman was to come or somebody comes to the door, he'll wake up and go running though. But he is definitely gonna rest right now. Me too. So that's all I wanted to share. Wow. The moment I turn the camera on you and you just go to sleep and you don't act like all normal the way you normally. Like, good night, Bubba. Okay.